What's up YouTube? Sean Forney here. Going to do a quick little video on the 2023 F150 Platinum. I just got it leveled and I put bigger tires on it. So I just wanted to do the end result video, show you how much of a difference it is. The factory wheels after the leveling kit, prior to the leveling kit, it was 37 3/4 of an inch in the front, 41 inches in the rear. So that gives you the baseline. So after the leveling kit, which is a rough country leveling kit, and the 35x12.50 BF Goodrich KO2s are on it, I want to show you guys what a difference in the ride height it makes between the tires and the leveling kit. So stay tuned. We're going to get a good look at it. I'll whip out the trusty tape measure and show you guys actually what it looks like and how much ride height you gain by doing a leveling kit and the 35x12.50 tires. So stay tuned, everybody. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you all so much. Stay tuned. All right, so as you can tell, doing that leveling kit and the tires on this truck does make a significant difference. I apologize, the lighting's terrible. Let me go over to this side. But you can tell how much of a difference it made. So not only did I do the leveling kit, but for some reason on this truck, now my brother's F150, his did not rub. So I don't know why this one did, but it was rubbing ever so slightly. So I also got the rough country 1/4 inch spacers and went ahead and put them all around, which does make it actually pretty attractive as far as has just a little bit of poke out the side, but it actually just really transforms this truck. Makes it look so much better. Here, we'll go to this side. It's just a little dirty, but this is a beautiful color with the blackout package. I do really like this truck. Okay, all right, so now let me get out the measuring tape and we will take a look at how much of a difference it makes. Now remember, our starting point from the ground was, bear with me, 37 3/4. So now we are at, what is that, 40 3/4 roughly. Let's go to the rear. And the back, you are 41.5 roughly. So we're pretty close. It still does have a little bit of rake, which is surprising since the leveling kit is supposed to take that away. But overall, I am really happy with how the truck turned out. So again, these are the BF Goodrich KO2s in 35x12.50 R20 LTs. So that is the same tire that comes on the Raptor, unless you go with the 37s and obviously the 37 1250s. And it really does transform the overall look of the truck with the spacers. You know, gives it a nice little look and just makes it ride that much more aggressive. Obviously, you don't have the same, tucking ability and things along those lines that you would in the Raptor. So certainly that is something that you're sacrificing. But overall, if you're looking for something that has a little bit more aggressive look, the regular F150 with the leveling kit can obviously handle 35x12.50 tires on it with only doing the leveling kit up front. I haven't done anything else other than add the spacers because for some reason I was getting some clearance issues. Now my brother's is a F150 XLT package, and I don't know if the Platinum, I don't know why his truck does not rub and mine did, but the spacers obviously fixed that issue. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you ask or comment below, and I will answer any questions that you have. But it was a pretty simple job. I think if you know what you're doing, this was the first time I did it. Second time my brother did the leveling kit. We had, I don't know, maybe 3 hours total in installation. And then I went to, Discount Tire. And for those that are wondering, I will tell you what I did to get these tires at a discount. So there you have it, folks. Now, what I did to get these tires at a discount, so I went online to simpletire.com. They actually had a 15% off coupon for these tires. And I was able to get them. The original price was somewhere around $2,300 all in for the tires installed. What I did, the truck had less than 1,000 miles on it when I did the tires. So I sold my factory tires to Discount Tire. They gave me $50 a tire. I had the 15% off coupon. So my price out the door came to $1,699. So it wasn't all too hateful. It was still pretty pricey, but actually, you know, with how it transforms this truck, it was totally worth it. So any questions, everybody, comment below. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you all so much.